Welcome to the world of quantum computing. Today, we are going to explore one of the most fascinating concepts in physics, quantum teleportation. I will guide you through this process step by step, making it easy to understand. First, let's clear up a common misconception. Quantum teleportation is not like what you see in science fiction movies. We are not transporting matter or people from one place to another physically. Instead, it is a method for transferring information, specifically the exact quantum state of a particle, to another particle in a different location. Crucially, the original state is destroyed in the process. To understand how this works, let's introduce our two main characters, Alice and Bob. Alice is the sender, and Bob is the receiver. They can be in the same room or galaxies apart. The distance does not matter for the quantum part of the protocol. Before they can teleport anything, Alice and Bob need to share a resource. They each hold one particle from an entangled pair. These two particles are linked in such a way that the state of one is instantly correlated with the state of the other, no matter how far apart they are. Now Alice has a third particle. This is the qubit she wants to teleport to Bob. It is in a quantum state called psi. The interesting part is that Alice does not need to know what this state is. In fact, if she tries to look at it to learn the state, she would change it. So, she must teleport it without measuring it first. The process begins in Alice's lab. She performs a special operation called a Bell state measurement on her two particles, the one she wants to send and her half of the entangled pair. This interaction forces the two particles into an entangled state. However, this measurement destroys the original state of the target qubit. Here is the catch. The teleportation isn't finished yet. When Alice performed her measurement, she got a random result consisting of two classical bits of information. For Bob to recover the state, Alice must send these two bits to him. She uses a standard communication channel, like a phone line or fiber optic cable. This part cannot happen faster than the speed of light. Once Bob receives the two bits from Alice, he knows exactly what happened to his half of the entangled pair. Depending on the two bits he received, 00, 01, 10, or 11, he applies a specific quantum logic gate to his particle. This operation corrects his particle. After the correction, Bob's particle ends up in the exact state psi that Alice started with. The information has been successfully teleported. It's important to remember that because the original was destroyed, we haven't created a copy. This preserves the No-Cloning Theorem of quantum mechanics. This technology is the foundation for the future quantum internet.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.